Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to apply formula to entire column. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Excel application. If you already have it downloaded into your PC, so of course if you have it, this will be great, but if you don't, you will have to go and download it through Microsoft Store or any browser you could be possibly using. Of course, you cannot download just the Excel application, you will have to download the whole Office apps with the Office pack, of course, and you will even have to pay for that because it's paid. And of course, once it's downloaded, just, or if you already have it, just go and open it up, and that will actually be your home screen or your main screen. Of course, here you can actually like log in into your account or even create your account. If you don't have one, then log in into it. Make sure to so you have an activated account, that means you're paid, or maybe you have a college like email so you can use it. And of course, once you are here, you can click at new, so you can create a blank workbook or just choose some of their templates here, or open something saved on into your PC before. So for me, I'm just going to create a blank workbook. And as we said, we would like to apply a formula for the entire column. So of course, first of all, you would like to select the cell with the formula and the adjacent cells you want to fill. So let's say an example, we'll have at this cell like 75, and now we would like to select, as we said, and then just go and select this cell, then go and click at this column, and first of all, just go to this, click minus, and go and click at this entire column. Or sorry, it's not like that, sorry, my bad. So let's just write here like a 75, or you can, maybe you'll have like an Excel full of informations or with data, so this will be even great. Of course, now once you selected like this cell, as we said, we would like to select the cell with the formula and the adjacent cells you want to fill. Then all you need to do, just click at this home option, then go to fill, which is going to be this. And of course, just choose either down, right, up, or left, or keyboard, or can even choose like keyboard shortcut. So you can also like press the Control D, so to fill the formula down in a column, or Control R, so you can actually fill the formula to the right in a row. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.